The condition of my fat PS3 is pretty bad. I got this on eBay maybe a year ago. It was actually listed as faulty, but I couldn't really find anything wrong with it. The only thing that I've noticed that's wrong with it is the condition. It's got loads of scratches on it, 3 really notable scratches on the front. It's also got a few dents on it and stuff like that. And I just thought I would be able to kind of customize this with a skin and make it look better. So Xtreme Skins said they would send me a skin for my fat PS3 just to kind of put the skin on there and just make it look like it's in a lot better condition. So the skin I actually got was a carbon fiber one, and if you guys like the look of it, you can check out their links. I will leave them in the description. They've got eBay, they've got Amazon, they've got YouTube, Twitter, they've got everything. You guys can check them out and see if they've got a skin for your console. So here you go, the black carbon fiber PS3 skin. This is the skin I'm going to be adding. These are all of the pieces that it came with. So it's pretty much just the front of the PS3. As you can see, we've got the power buttons and stuff, but I guess that's the only area of the PS3 you'll actually see. They also gave us some first aid wipes. This is just to clean your PS3 and remove any bacteria or dust. So the first thing you want to do is just make sure you wipe down your console, just clean all of the dust and stuff off of it. Just make sure you get it reasonably clean. It doesn't really matter too much, just try and remove all the dust. As you can see, it's looking a bit better already, and once you've got it quite clean, you want to wait for it to dry, and once it's dry, you will actually be able to apply your stickers. So I'm going to go ahead and apply some of the stickers now. The first one I'm going for is actually the power button sticker. What I kind of did to get this one accurate was I kind of just labeled up the eject button exactly as the outline was on the sticker. And from there you can pretty much get it spot on, you can pretty much get it perfect. And then you just want to flatten it down, taking out any of the air bubbles or anything like that, and it actually looks really nice and professional. I'm not a professional at putting these skins on or anything, and I think I did a reasonable job on my PlayStation. Now I'm going to do the full sticker. Now this one you've got to be a bit careful with, you don't really want to mess this up, but what I would recommending is start to peel the sticker off and kind of bend back the paper underneath, and if you line it up with the PS3 logo, you can get it very accurate. So if you stick it down and pull the paper back, that's kind of the method that I went for. I was actually able to get a really nice finish on this one. So yeah, make sure you don't get any creases or anything like that. They can really ruin them. The nice thing about these stickers, you can actually take them off and re-stick them and it should be okay. You should actually get away with it. As you can see, I've got the paper folded and I'm just pulling it back, and it's basically just gonna nicely lay itself onto the PlayStation. Now there's quite a few consoles that Xtreme Skins do, so if you don't have a PS3 that's in bad condition, you can pretty much do this on anything, even phones and stuff like that. So now we're going to go for the stickers at the front. There's actually 2 of these for the front, but I only ended up using 1. I had an idea for the other one, but basically I just line it up with these 2 LEDs, and I'm able to stick it down very easily. Obviously be a bit careful with the other sticker, you don't really want to get it bent or anything like that, but you can use the paper as a guideline again, and it's actually very easy to do this one. And there you go, that is that stuck down, and that is looking pretty decent as well. And as you can see, normally you'd stick 2 stickers down on this point, but I only ended up using 1 because I want the other one to cover my scratch. Also this corner piece, very easily, literally just peel it off and stick it in there. If there's some dust left over, you can remove it if you want to. If not, it doesn't matter too much, and that sits in there very nicely. Now this is what I wanted the reserved sticker for. You aren't really supposed to do this, but as you can see on my PlayStation, it looks like someone's been at it with a pair of scissors or something like that. They've scratched it very deep, and I really hate this scratch. It looks really ugly, so I'm going to use this sticker just to cover it up nicely. Doesn't really match too badly, I guess, kind of matches in quite well with the carbon fiber. It just looks a lot cleaner than how it looked before. As I said, you're not really supposed to do this, but if you want to follow me, you can go ahead. Now we've got this sticker. This one actually goes on the panel at the side, just like this. It's pretty much just the front of the PS3, which is actually covered in the skin. And yeah, this one sticks down very nice as well. You've got to fold this one a bit at the edge, just to kind of get it in, and make sure you remove all air bubbles and everything like that. And there you go, guys, that is my PS3 from pretty bad condition to looking pretty good with these custom skins. Again, thanks to Xtreme Skins for sending some over. They did actually send me a few more for different consoles, so I will be making a few videos on them. And there you go, so make sure to check out Xtreme Skins. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.